Even people far away from you know you have an electric front wheel. Riding it makes you the coolest guy on the road. The level of precision in its craftsmanship is quite impressive. You see, this wheel is positioned exactly in the center of the front fork, which is great. Plus, the brakes are adjusted very close without rubbing against them. This indicates that the wheel was assembled with great attention to detail. On the right side of the wheel axle, there's this little hole for charging. On the left side of the wheel axle, there's the power switch button. The actual riding experience feels pretty good. I can say it exceeds my normal expectations. I originally thought all the weight was at the front, so it would feel odd. But actually, it feels perfectly normal, even quite stable when riding. My preference is to use the Bluetooth cadence as the main control, meaning most of the time I'm gently helping with pedaling myself. The electric assist feels quite smooth. You can actually feel it constantly helping you, from a speed of 1 km/h to 25 km/h. The acceleration is pretty quick and easy. In this, not too fast, range, it feels very comfortable to ride. This app allows you to choose the speed limit. In Asian countries, you can set the speed limit to 25 km/h, while in Europe, the regulations allow e-bikes to reach speeds of up to 45 km/h. Although the app lets me set the speed limit to 45 km/h, the motor can't really help you reach that speed. It can assist you up to around 30-something km/h, with my personal best being 35 km/h. However, from 27 to the low 30s, the acceleration is actually quite slow, taking some time. But overall, it still feels good, and you can clearly feel the motor helping. It's more for easy commuting rather than helping you race against cyclists. In simple terms, it feels very natural and pleasant, the kind of electric assist you'd want. In the pedal assist mode, you can also choose throttle mode. If you use the throttle, it immediately gives you full speed, reaching around 30 km/h in no time. However, this drains the battery quite quickly. From my experience, if there's continuous pedal assist, the range can be around 40+ km. But if you're constantly using the throttle, the battery will run out in about 15 to 20 km. You see, this hub is quite large, but the space for the battery is still smaller compared to a separate battery setup. When you use this all-in-one electric front wheel, you need to pedal for it to have better range. Overall, I think this electric assist wheel is quite charming. While it's not the most beautiful in terms of design, it's extremely easy to install, and in terms of performance, it's actually very practical and user-friendly. It's a truly functional and great electric assist wheel. Alright, this is the story of my experience with the LVBU all-in-one electric assist wheel. Thank you so much for watching. Please give a thumbs up to support the channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button this time. Bye bye.